Hello, if you are new here, my name is Stephanie, and today I have unboxing. So I made a purchase on Aliexpress, and it is a Chinese selling website, if you're not familiar. So I ordered a Moterm agenda, and I have it here, and I'm going to unbox it for you guys, show you how I'm going to be using it. I actually bought it to use with my Happy Planner Skinny Mini, and I wanted to kind of incorporate that into my lineup and, show you guys exactly how I'm going to be using it and what it will fit. So hopefully it will work for that purpose. I've seen other people using this sort of style. I've seen other people ordering them as traveler's notebooks, and they come with rings. But mine, hopefully they've sent me the right one and it doesn't have rings. So I'm just going to jump right in it, show you how it looks, and go through it. So here is so it did come in a bubble wrap paper, as you can see, and it came actually not destroyed, which I am actually quite shocked, but I think now things are moving pretty quickly. This did take 3 weeks to get to me, so I am happy that things are moving a lot faster. At one point, things were taking, a month, 2 months. I think at the beginning of everything that was happening last year, I waited like 3 months for stuff that kind of seemed to get lost in the mail. So this is what the box looks like. It is this great black box with a gold writing that says Moterm on it. So when you do open it up, and that is just what the back looks like. There's nothing else on there. It doesn't say like the style or anything like that. So once you do take this out the box, this is what it looks like. So you get this nice, really nice like package, which is I want to say almost like a velvet, like draw pouch. So I love that, you could use this for something completely different than, what is intended to kind of store this. Or, another good suggestion is actually to use this to store the actual planner, because it is leather. I can smell it from here. It does smell good. It does feel good so far. And this is what it looks like. So when you open it up, it looks like this. And then it does have 2 snap closures. So you're going to go from, it's obviously the tightest. And then once you go towards like the edge, this will be meant for once it gets kind of chunky. So this is what it looks like. And this is what the back looks like. It is a great cover. It smells good. It feels good. And you can tell that it is leather. So when you open it up, you do see that it has tons of storage in here, which I love. So if you are going to be using your planner on the go, this is like the perfect size. So that's why I ordered it, because I wanted to kind of use my the Skinny Mini on the go. But right now I have been using my Louis Vuitton small ring agenda on the go. So I like to switch things up. Like, one thing for me is like, I don't want to be confined to, I just have to use one planner for the year, or just use one, catch-all or whatever it is. Like, I like to switch it up. People get bored. So, and I'm definitely one of those people. So in here, I love it because it has these bookmarks. So these tabs have like little leather tabs, and it is attached to the top. And so this is used as like a holding place or a bookmark. Over here, you do have a pen loop, so I can show you guys what pens would probably fit. This is a Papermate gel pen, and as you can see, it's a pretty thick gel pen. So let's see if that will fit. So, I mean, I think whatever kind of pen you get, it will fit pretty well, and it will hold definitely a good size. As you can see, there's still room in there left for, even a larger pen. So as well here, as I said, they have a snap closure, and then you do have 3 pockets here. So when you open it up, as I said, you have 3 pockets here. This one will hold your agenda cover, like to slide in here. And this second one, you could use for cash, and you have another. So you do get 3 full pockets on the right side of it. And on the left, you do have this pocket right here, which opens up. So you could use this for cash as well. So you have a lot of options, which I love, in order to use this as kind of like your catch-all, your wallet, your planner cover, all of that, which is great. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slots here, and those are great for cards. And then when you come on this side, it opens up and you have one slot here and you have another slot here, which is great. So that is basically the agenda. It is beautiful. It smells great. It looks great. You know, I love, you know, the way that they sent it with this cover, with this pouch, I mean, which you could use for something else. And the beautiful box. And I'm really glad that the box didn't get destroyed, because I would use the box, you know, for something else as well. So I'm just going to show you guys how I will be using it. So I'm just going to put that to the side. So this is my, this is a budget skinny mini planner. So it is on classic size discs. So I don't know if these classic size discs will fit in here. I'm going to put it in and give you a look, and then we'll see if it will work. So I'm just going to remove those from the back. And let's see if I can slide it in with that pen loop there, because I don't want to just take it off, and then see how that goes. So as you can see, it does fit perfectly and is quite snug, which is good in terms of size. And then let's see how this would close. So as I said before, you do have two closures. So you have the smaller and the other one. This is going to be a tight fit, so I will go back, because this one I did put on classic, which I didn't really need to. As you can see, I have a lot of gaps and spaces. So let me put it back on the smaller discs, and then let me show you guys how it's going to fit in there. So now that I have taken it off of classic size discs, I put them back on minis. I don't know why I got ahead of myself in terms of replacing the discs, but we are here now. So I'm going to slide this back in the back. You know what, let's take this off. I didn't necessarily want to, because then that's what happens, right? You get that film from the stickiness, but I will just take it up real quick, because I don't want it to stick to the interior, and then show you guys how it slides in. So this is how it slides in here at the back. And let's see if this is a better fit now that I've put it back on like the mini size disc. So yeah, that's perfect. So this is on the tightest one, which is great. So I don't have to feel like it's so chunky. And this is with all of the whole year. So most people, I mean, even myself, like I never usually work with a whole year in the planner anyways. I will take out some of the inserts, you know, and do it that way. So I think I want to jazz it up a little bit. I've actually been journaling in here. So I know this is a budget planner, but it is pretty like plain. So even though it's like, it doesn't really have a lot of prompts for necessarily like budget saving. So if you're not used to this planner, I can do a quick little kind of flip through and show you. So here is like your calendar for the month. These would be the smallest things that tell you about like it's a budget like planner. So it says like small changes eventually add up to huge results. I mean, that could apply to anything. It always seems impossible until it's done. And it has like a little piggy bank, but I mean, it's still pretty generic for me. And you can always change these out. Like what I've done is actually cut out paper, like cardstock, or you know, paper that you have that's printed with a pattern that you like, and then put it on here. So here is really the gist of what it looks like. So you have your perpetual kind of calendar for the month, and then it does like have like to buy, to save for, don't forget, but you can use it for anything. So I'm kind of writing some affirmations in here and journaling, you know, like kind of how my day was, how I'm feeling, more of using it as like a wellness. I do have an actual fitness planner, but I don't typically write like how I'm feeling or my wellness in there. So I thought this would be a great way to use this little one. And you know what? A month from now, I may want to use it for savings or use it for that purpose, but you know, I like to play around and see what feels good, right? So this is what your month looks like. And then at the end, it just says upcoming bills and expenses. You could always cover that up with, you know, cover that up with a sticker, which, you know, if you are using Happy Planner, then you just cover that up with a sticker. And then this could be a checklist for, you know, goals you have for the month, you know, around your wellness or mental health, right? So that is definitely a priority for me, my mental health and my wellness, especially during these times. And this is what I will be using that for. And for me, if you've seen any of my other like plan with me or planner related videos, you know I love a good cover. Honestly, I will not use it, I think, if it doesn't have a nice cover. So this is the new cover I am working with, and it is absolutely beautiful and it fits it perfectly. It's not too chunky, and as I said, this is with the whole year in it, and this is all that you get in here. And let's see, where would I stick this? It's actually good because, I mean, so I just stuck it at the back here, this little bow that I made, and it is super cute. So I really do love this. So hopefully I will give you guys an update on how it's working for me, and, you know, the kind of pros and cons, show you guys how it's holding up. So if you guys enjoyed this type of video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bells. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.